First, open the Pocketful app. Then scroll down and you'll find the Invest in IPO section. Tap on it. This will take you to the Discover IPOs page. In the Active tab, you can see all the IPOs that are currently open. For example, you might see IPOs like Central Mine Planning and Design, Specialty Medicines Limited, or Tipco Engineering India Limited listed here. In the Upcoming section, you can check which IPOs are expected to open soon. If you tap on any IPO, you can view detailed information such as minimum investment, lot size, price band, issue size, employee discount if available, important dates like opening, closing, allotment, and listing. If you're interested, simply click on the Apply button to invest directly from the app. In the Close tab, you can see IPOs that have already closed, along with their details. In the Listed section, you can check IPOs that have been listed in the market, along with their listing details and allotment information. Finally, in the My Bids section, you can track all the IPOs you've applied for. Here you can check the application status, see whether it's confirmed or not, and view the investment amount. You can also tap on any IPO to see full application details. And that's it. Pretty simple, right? Download the Pocketful app and start investing in IPOs today.